Find the number of 8-letter arrangements that can be made from the letters of the word daughter so that all vowels occur together. Now, we want all vowels together. So, first we'll count the number of vowels in the word daughter. We have the vowels as A, U, and E. That is, vowels are three, and the consonants are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, we want all the vowels to occur together. So, therefore, we assume the vowels as one group and add it to the number of consonants. So, we have consonants 5 plus one group of vowels, and therefore, the total number of arrangements become 6 factorial. Now, the vowels can arrange among themselves in this group in 3 factorial ways because there are 3 vowels. So this becomes our calculation 6 factorial, that is 720, into 3 factorial, that is 6. So multiplying this, we get the answer as 4320, and its answer will be option C.